Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. Since St. Patrick's Day is coming up, here is a video on how to decorate succulent cupcakes. I made a video like this before, so this is version 2. I used various piping tips to achieve the designs, and I added links in the description for where to get the piping tips. For the first and second design, I used a petal piping tip. And then for the third and fourth design, I used a open star piping tip. For the fifth and last design in this video, I used a petal piping tip again to create a rose. Before I even piped on top of the cupcake, I covered the top of each cupcake with a bit of brown sugar. So which design do you like the most? Let me know in the comment section. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.